Okay, so number 14, this problem wants us to simplify the expression. So we have 3 over cosine squared x, or s. I'll just leave it as x for now, minus sine squared x, same thing, it's just different variable, minus 1 over, I'll just type the s in the computer. Okay, so this is a difference of squares. So in order for me to be able to add or subtract, I have to have the same denominator. So in order to make that work out, I have to multiply this fraction top and bottom by sine or cosine. Actually, let me rewrite it. Let me just show all the parts, because this one is actually written backwards. So I'm going to bring this down, bring down to 3. I'm going to go ahead and write this in its factor form so we can see it together. Difference of squares, this will be a cosine. I'll go ahead and change it back to s now. Cosine s minus sine s. And then we have cosine s plus sine s. Okay, so that's what this factors to. And then over here, minus, now the cosine is in front, it's positive, the sine is negative. So I'm gonna flip these so we have them in the same order. So this is a negative cosine s plus sine s. Okay, so it looks close to this, except the signs are different. So I'm going to factor out a negative. So this will become a minus. Okay, so now it's cosine s minus sine s, exactly matches this. So this is the term I need to add. So I need to multiply a cosine s plus sine s on the top and the bottom to give us a common denominator. Okay, so this negative I factored out, negative times a negative, those will combine, and this will be a plus. So I can get rid of that term. Because if you have a negative on the bottom or the top, the whole term is negative, so if I just pull it all the way out, that will combine with that original negative and make it a positive. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this form now. So I have the same denominator. I'm just going to combine the tops. Right, so this is going to be 3 plus 1 times this is just going to give me cosine s plus sine s all over cosine squared s minus sine squared s. Okay. So that's what we get when we simplify. Nothing else that we can really do, just combine those terms by getting the common denominator and adding or subtracting them. So division bar 3 plus cosine s plus sine s, and then we have cosine squared